What if I told you that there's one simple movement, a position we humans naturally embraced for thousands of years, that has the potential to unlock your hips, awaken your core, improve digestion, support the pelvic floor, rejuvenate circulation, and yes, even strengthen erections? You don't need a gym, no machines, no expensive treatments, just your body, a bit of wall space, and a few focused minutes daily. Let me introduce you, or perhaps reintroduce you, to a fundamental human posture, the deep squat, supported by the wall. Beyond just being a leg workout, this is a full body, full system reset designed to help you move, live, and thrive the way nature intended. I'm excited to announce that I'll be offering free online consultations to my viewers from anywhere in the world, no matter where you're watching from. The selection will be done completely at random using a number generator. To participate, comment your lucky number between 1 and 200 below. And while you're there, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who could benefit. Because the more active you are, the more this community grows. Don't wait. Drop your number now and try your luck. Let's begin. First, stand with your back gently supported against a wall. Position your feet about shoulder width apart or slightly wider if needed for balance, and allow your toes to point slightly outward or forward, whatever feels more natural to your hips and ankles. Begin to slide your spine down the wall, keeping your chest open and posture aligned. Lower your hips gradually, ideally bringing them just below the knees if range of motion allows. And if not, that's absolutely fine. Meet your body where it is today. Keep your heels flat, breathe deeply, hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds. Let this be your daily pause, your active meditation, your gateway to restoration. Now, what exactly is this doing for your body? The wall-supported deep squat unlocks mobility through your hips, knees, and ankles, mobilizing the joints essential for pain-free performance in both athletic pursuits and everyday tasks like lifting, squatting, or simply rising from the floor. But beneath the surface, even more is happening. One of the most powerful benefits of this posture is the activation of the deep core musculature, specifically the transverse abdominis, obliques, and supporting spinal stabilizers. This isn't just about looking fit. It's about developing internal strength, spinal protection, and lasting postural stability, all of which translate to reduced fatigue, less discomfort, and greater daily resilience. As your legs engage, glutes, quads, hamstrings, you're building not only strength, but neuromuscular efficiency. Your body learns to move more intelligently, with more power and less strain. But let's go deeper into an area many men silently struggle with: erectile health. Erectile dysfunction is not just a surface-level issue, it's often an early warning sign of compromised vascular health. The same plaque and stiffness that affects coronary arteries can, and often does, affect the penile arteries, which are just a fraction of the diameter of your coronary vessels. That means even minor blockages can significantly impact blood flow where you need it most. Enter the deep squat. Squatting isn't just a mobility drill. It encourages blood flow throughout the pelvic basin. It stimulates circulation to the lower body, activates the pelvic floor muscles, and improves the alignment and relaxation of this entire region. A stronger, more responsive pelvic floor means better control, improved urinary performance, and yes, stronger, more sustainable erections. Now, pair this movement with a natural circulatory booster, and you've got a powerful combination. One of the most underestimated additions to a man's daily routine for erectile health: a glass of beetroot juice or fresh pomegranate juice. Why? Let's take beetroot juice, for example. It's rich in dietary nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a vital molecule that relaxes blood vessels, enhances endothelial function, and boosts penile blood flow. Better blood flow doesn't just support erection quality, it's a sign of healthier arteries throughout the body, including the brain and the heart. Pomegranate juice, likewise, is filled with antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress on vascular walls and may slow the progression of arterial plaque, according to research published in Clinical Nutrition. These natural drinks, when consumed consistently, can literally help clear the traffic in your blood vessels, supporting better flow where it matters most. So, imagine the synergy: practicing deep squats to engage pelvic blood flow, improve muscular balance, and stimulate circulation, while also fueling your vascular system with nitrate-rich, antioxidant-dense nutrition. It's a powerful 1-2 punch that can naturally support and even help reverse early erectile concerns, without pills, without shame, and without side effects. And we can't ignore the role of the squat in digestive efficiency and bowel regulation. Squatting realigns the rectum, engages the pelvic floor fully, and mimics the natural biomechanical position the human body evolved for optimal elimination. Cultures across Asia still use squat toilets today, not because of tradition alone, but because science supports what common sense already knew. If you're constipated, bloated, or slow-moving in digestion, introducing deep squats regularly can retrain your body's rhythm and relieve internal pressure that affects everything from bloating to your pelvic nerves. Even more, when you squat, you promote lymphatic movement throughout the lower torso. Why is that important? Our lymphatic system is responsible for carrying out toxins, excess fluid, and immune waste. Unlike blood, lymph doesn't move on its own. It needs your movement. Deep squats stimulate this system, reducing swelling in the legs, increasing immunity, and clearing stagnation. Over time, this compound effect aids not only erectile health, but also systemic clarity. And let's talk about bones and joints. Squatting is a weight-bearing activity that applies dynamic, real-time pressure to bones, stimulating bone density in the hips, femurs, and ankles, and simultaneously strengthening the connective tissues around them. In a world where osteoporosis rates are rising, this position is a bioavailable, bone-regenerating stimulus, something that pills and calcium alone cannot offer. And finally, we circle back to the mind. When you commit to just 1 or 2 minutes of deep squat per day while regulating your breath, tuning into your muscle engagement, and realigning your posture, you're doing more than exercise. You're practicing active mindfulness. The combination of physical grounding and nervous system regulation helps reduce cortisol, sharpen mental focus, and ease the background anxiety many carry daily. For men, mental stress is often the silent poison behind diminished libido. Squatting, anchored with breath, becomes a form of moving meditation that revitalizes you from the inside out. So yes, one daily practice can change your life, and it starts with something your body already knows how to do. Here's what I recommend. Start small. Slide down a wall into a squat. Hold for just 30 seconds. Let your feet root into the ground. Breathe. Then tomorrow, repeat. Over time, increase it to a minute. Explore opening your knees wider or spreading your toes for more mobility. And if you're feeling ambitious, begin your morning with a small glass of beetroot or pomegranate juice. Do it consistently. Track not just your strength or flexibility, but how you feel, how you perform, how connected you are with your own body. You'll feel the difference, not just in the mirror, but in the bedroom, in your digestion, in your focus, and in your energy. I'm Dr. Samra Turajilic, and I invite you to reconnect with this primal posture. Your body already remembers it. Now it's time your lifestyle does too. Practice with presence, nourish your circulation, own your strength, and as always, make today a great day.